high above the clouds, beyond where any airplane has ever flown, there exists a magical place called the Rainbow Factory, shimmering with colors and light. One special day, a curious little girl named Ruby stumbled inside and was amazed by the bright rooms filled with giant buckets of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. As she explored, she met Benny, a tiny cloud sprite who made rainbows but today. He was in tears because the rainbow machine had broken, mixing up all the colors and throwing them into the sky in the wrong places. Determined to help, Ruby examined the tangled tubes and remembered the correct order of a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Carefully, she and Benny sorted each tube into place, and as the machine roared back to life, a brilliant rainbow stretched across the sky once more, bringing joy to children below. Ruby's quick thinking saved the day, and she reminded everyone that knowing your colors and asking for help can make even the biggest problems disappear.